If you have no experience and you want to do same this fade nice and high, watch me. So you want a number 4 on top, isn't it?
Yes, please. Yeah.
And skin fade, you like to skin fade very high?
Yes, please.
How high you like it?
Like
You want to go very high fade? Yeah, okay, too easy. We're gonna do number 4 on top, high skin fade, very high skin fade. That's how my friend here likes it. I'll show you how you do it in the easiest way. First thing, we're gonna set the guideline from this corner. Now below the guideline, shave everything off using your clipper. So now I'm gonna grab the shaver and I will shave everything. I will give myself like sort of 1 centimeter here, and everything like below, just shave it off. Now there's a small guideline between the super zero and the zero. Use your trimmer and hit only on this line. Next step, put number 4 on a clipper and shave everything off. Next step, open the clipper to the end and jump with 1 centimeter here. Next one, there's a small gap line between the 0 and the half. What I'm going to do, close the clipper halfway and hit only on this line. Next one, put number 1.5 level open and hit only on this area. Don't go to the end of the top, just this section. Next one, I will use number 1 level open and I will go just before the end of the number 2 here. So same thing, like hit this section but don't touch the end of the number 2. Last step of the fade, you see like this guideline here. What I can do, I will put number half level open and I'll hit only this one. Just once you remove this guideline, the fade is finished. How about the front? You want to keep it neutral or box it?
Neutral, please.
Neutral, yeah. I'll just clean it for you. That's a Photoshop. Happy?
Thank you.
Thanks so much.
First choice barber.